Good evening once again. Welcome back to this channel and thank you all for your support. Today we are going to have a look at the reaction of acids with reaction of acids with number one, we have metals. Number two, we have metal oxides. And number three, we have metal carbonates. And we will also have a look at the bases, or rather hydroxides, metal hydroxides. Now, what from our form 1, we know that when metals react with acids, or when metal oxides reacts with acids, metal carbonates reacts with acids, bases or metal hydroxides reacts with acids, there is a common denominator that we say that a salt must be formed. All of them, they form a salt. What makes them different is, apart from the salt, what else is formed? Now, from our form 1, acid, bases and indicators, we were able to give some general formulas that reminds us on what happens when reactions takes place, where we said, for example, number 1, an acid plus a metal, we get salt plus hydrogen gas. Then of course this hydrogen gas, we say that which is produced, it can be tested by using a burning splint, where this hydrogen gas puts off or extinguishes the burning splint with a pop sound. So that is the test for this hydrogen gas that is being produced. And this reaction is commonly used in production of hydrogen gas, especially when you have zinc granules, then you react them with a hydrochloric acid, you'll be able to get your salt and the hydrogen gas which is collected. And of course, we also talked about the methods used in collecting this gas. Number 2, that also we can give an example where we can say in this case that acids react with metals. To form their corresponding metal salt. and hydrogen gas and hydrogen gas, corresponding metal salt and hydrogen gas, i.e. we have magnesium metal that reacts with hydrochloric acid, which is aqueous, to give us magnesium, which has a valency of 2, and also chlorine has a valency of 1. Therefore the 2 will be the one represented as Cl2 due to the valency that they have. Magnesium has a valency of 2 and chlorine has a valency of 1, plus hydrogen gas. So then chlorine here, there are 2, hydrogen 2, this one is aqueous, then it means hydrochloric acid is not balanced. We multiply by 2. So you get that the ratios for the product side and the reactant sides are the same. Number 2, we also have magnesium, which is a solid, plus ethanoic acid, to give us magnesium ethanoate, plus hydrogen gas. The 2 here is because of the valency of magnesium, and this one reacts as a radical. And of course you know that a radical is the group of atoms that react as a unit or a single unit. So aqueous, this one is a gas, this one is aqueous. Number 2, or part B, is metal oxides with acids, metal oxides, and this one reminds you about neutralization reaction. In this case, once we talk about these metals, we all know from our Form 1 work that acids react with metal oxides to give us metal salt, plus water, and water. These products, are the one which makes the reaction to be neutralization reaction. The products, because it is the same thing that takes place when bases react with these acids. Now therefore we can say that acids react with metal oxides, to form corresponding metal salt and water. Can give an example is zinc oxide plus hydrochloric acid. This one is a solid, and of course you know the color of zinc oxide. It is yellow when hot, then it is white when cool or cold. So this one is aqueous. Then we get zinc chloride, because of the valency of zinc is 2 and chlorine is 1, plus H2O, which is water, and it is a liquid. Then we balance HCl. Then we say that our equation is balanced from the products and also from the product side, from the reactants and the product sides.